Welcome to our channel. Today we how to reduce credit card payments with Wells Fargo Propel step by step clearly. To reduce credit card payments with Wells Fargo Propel, start by gathering your account information. Log into your Wells Fargo online banking account. Navigate to the credit card section of the website. Review your current card balance and interest rate. Consider your payment options, including the minimum payment and any additional payments you can make. Look for a payment calculator on the Wells Fargo site to help determine the best payment strategy. Evaluate the benefits of the promotional offers if available, such as 0% interest on balance transfers. If you're facing financial difficulty, contact Wells Fargo customer service to discuss your situation. Inquire about possible hardship programs that could temporarily lower your payments. Consider setting up automatic payments to avoid late fees and maintain good standing. Review your spending habits and create a budget to prioritize credit card payments. Use any cash back or rewards earned from the Propel card to pay down your balance. Keep an eye on your credit score to track improvements as you reduce your debt. Check for opportunities to increase your credit limit responsibly if it helps lower your utilization ratio. Be disciplined about avoiding new charges while focusing on reducing your existing balance. Regularly monitor your progress and adjust your strategy as needed to achieve your payment goals. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.